Hello again, Dragonus4 here, and I'm bringing you another product review. And today I'm going to be reviewing Stone Ridge Creamery Pomegranate Blueberry Fruit Bars. Here's what the box looks like. I have to say, these are really good. If you like blueberries, you like pomegranate juice, these are excellent, excellent bars. I would love to have these on a regular basis in my house. You know, and I like pomegranates, and I don't like the seeds as much as the pomegranate itself. So you don't get the seed. You don't get the seeds. It's like having a pomegranate without a seed, is what I'm saying. They have a nice flavor to them. They have a really good texture. They're like a natural sweet taste to them. Yeah, go get yourself some. These are good for hot days, cold days, and I'm sure blueberries are good for you, as are pomegranates. So, yeah, these are really good bars. I like them. Bye.